Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 16th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the weekly analysis for SPX for the expiry of the 22nd. So we can see that the CE level has gone up where the PE is the same, which is positive. Quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. The change is higher for PE, which is positive. Short squeeze is higher for PE, which is negative. PCR is still extremely overbought, which is actually negative. Sorry, let me just change that. It is negative. Implied volatility went up, but historical volatility went down, which is positive and negative. RSI has gone down, which is negative. There's no RSI divergence, which is positive. ADX has gone up, positive. ATR gone down, which is positive. Both EMAs went up, which is positive. VWAP went up, positive. Pivot point went up, positive. But the candlestick is a doji, so that's a neutral. But all in all, the new support is 5,100. The current support is 5,100. Previous weeks is also 5,100. Resistance is 5,150. Previous weeks was 5,100. And the prediction is that SPX goes up this week. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.